These canes come in a very nice package. This is your typical folding cane, except it's really light and very durable. The handle is made of nice polished beech wood. It does have the flat side on it, like your typical cane does. And it also has the elastic band on top, which allows you to put the band over the cane once the cane is folded. As you go further, you feel where the joints are of the cane. It has two rings which come together. They feel pretty seamless, actually. And these aluminum rings protect the carbon fiber that the cane is made out of. The carbon fiber with an epoxy hardener makes the cane very durable. That's what these tubes are made out of. What goes inside of the other sections of the cane is a nice soft piece of aluminum. These canes never get stuck. They just don't get stuck. You don't have to fight with the canes to fold it. You don't have to bang it on the ground to make it loose or anything. They just always fold nicely, even after a lot of use. The canes do not wiggle at all. It's pretty darn close to using a straight cane. If you like straight canes, this almost feels exactly like a straight cane. It gives you very precise information, and it's just a beautiful cane to hold. It's something that just feels like it belongs in your hand as soon as you grab it.